Hello, fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane and this is the Midjourney sref Exploration series. This time we shall look at the styles from 2300 to 2399. If you missed any of the previous videos, there has been quite many of them. So many in fact, that I have lost count already, but you can go see them later if you are looking for different styles. There hasn't really been anything new from Midjourney lately. The new editor has still not been released to a wider audience. I have seen some comments on my channel about that, but as I am an independent style explorer, I can't really do anything about that. We'll just have to wait for Midjourney to make it available to a wider audience. They did wait a long time also with the release of the new website. And they also did that gradually, expanding to more and more people. They have been teasing a lot of new stuff for a while now. But we shall see when that stuff comes out. But back to the topic of this video, which is the styles. The pattern is the same. I have prompted each of the styles only once and with just the period symbol. You can see all the prompts with each of the grids. And when you go testing these styles, you can change everything about your prompt, just keep the sref and the number the same and you will be able to get images with that particular style. You can change the aspect ratio and completely leave out the seed number part. That one is there so that you can replicate the exact same image as I have generated, and I don't have to go and look it up. I have used different kinds of seed numbers in generating some of the images you see in the intro and outro parts of this video. And if you like any of the images and would like to see all of the examples in a prompt PDF format, you have the option to come and join my Patreon. My amazing patrons will get all the prompt PDFs from my more recent videos and also see my videos a day early and ad-free. And if you are not up to becoming a patron and supporting this channel, you can also buy the prompt PDFs separately for the smallest amount I could set the price at. But now, let's look at the styles. 2300 Charcoal Monochrome Hues. 2301 Warm Neon Highlights. 2302 Minimalist Filtered Realism. 2303 Pastel Misty Dreamscape. 2304 Emerald Glowing Nature. 2305 Graphite Mist Sketches. 2306 Dusty Rose Baroque. 2307 Pastel Patchwork Textures. 2308 Neon Futuristic Whirl. 2309 Foggy Cottage Shadows. 2310 Lemon Tint Drawings. 2311 Blush Spring Whimsy. 2312 Crimson Noir Horror. 2313 Bold Geometric Watercolor. 2314 Candy Pastel Fantasy. 2315 Lunar Glow Landscapes. 2316 Muted Forest Realism. 2317 Amber Prism Illustration. 2318 Ivory Pastel Airbrush. 2319 Crimson Matte Cartooning. 2320 Iridescent Oil Digital. 2321 Cerulean Brushed Lighting. 2322 Steel Toned Digital Photo Montage. 2323 Cyan Geometric Block Printing. 2324 Skyline Ink Digital. 2325 Magenta Haze Digital Blur. 2326 Rust Touched Urban Sketching. 2327 Pearlescent Glow Interior Matte. 2328 Noir Dreamscape Glow. 2329 Pixel Fragmented Reality. 2330 Zen Monochrome Flow. 2331 Electric Shadow Flow. 2332. Mint and Magenta Whimsy. 2333. Obsidian Warrior Realism. 2334. Whimsical Pastel Adventure. 2335. Nocturnal Emerald Dreamscape. 2336. Faded Garden Dream. 2337. Anime Sky Fantasy. 2338. Silverline Reverie. 2339. Biotech Fantasy Structures. 2340. Charcoal Winter Grit. 2341. Amber Horizon Brushwork. 2342. Rustic Charcoal Etching. 2343. Crimson Spectrum Motion. 2344. Azure Gaze Romanticism. 2345. Rustic Twilight Textures. 2346. Burnt Sienna Dream. 2347. Magenta Dusk Abstraction. 2348. Amber Sky Glow. 2349. Twilight Tale Illustration. 2350. Whispering Forest Dream. 2351. Gothic Sunburst Fantasy. 2352. Neon Gothic Dusk. 2353. Rustic Grunge Shadows. 2354. Copper Tone Illustration. 2355. Verdant Fantasy Digital. 2356. Iridescent Liquid Sculpt. 2357. Crystal Wing Elegance. 2358. Bubblegum Pastel Illusion. 2359. Scarlet Glow Realism. 2360. Electric Neon Graphic. 2361. Electric Drip Chromatics. 2362. Crystal Lagoon Luminescence. 2363. Antique Line Etching. 2364. Monotone Shape Dissection. 2365. Fairy Tale Meadow Light. 2366. Charcoal Gothic Anime. 2367. Scarlet Temple Glow. 2368. Carnival Skull Grunge. 2369. Sapphire Forest Illumination. 2370. Silver Light Cascade. 2371. Charcoal Contrast Structure. 2372. Candy Pastel Dreamscape. 2373. Sepia Patchwork Mosaic. 2374. Slate Mist Matte. 2375. Crimson Horizon Pop. 2376. Sunset Radiance Contrast. 2377. Ochre Marble Flow. 2378. Lemon Breeze Surrealism. 2379. Ocean Breeze Hyperrealism. 2380. Midnight Gold Ink. 2381. Lime Grove Chromatics. 2382. Warm Glaze Illumination. 2383. Peach Cloud Fade. 2384. Icy Prism Fragments. 2385. Emerald Comic Sheen. 2386. Outline Comic Brilliance. 2387. Jade Shade Depths. 2388. Saffron Contrast Grit. 2389. Crystal Daylight Render. 2390. Blush Bloom Brushwork. 2391. Sapphire Dreamscape Gloss. 2392. Peach Glow Overlay. 2393. Indigo Flat Shadows. 2394. Sepia Vintage Blend. 2395. Scarlet Comic Shading. 2396. Lavender Light Sketch. 2397. Azure Mist Layers. 2398. Ochre Charcoal Strokes. 2399. Tangerine Brush Blends. Alright, those were the styles for this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this set of styles. I really liked some of these. I think I may have gotten a bit too stuck on these sref style codes. I do like exploring them, but I guess you would also like to see some more variety. I do intend to keep this schedule of weekly videos for now, but I am planning on branching out just a little bit with the topics of my videos. Probably starting from my next video. Come suggest your ideas on my Patreon. I have a poll open there currently. I thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Thank you to my lovely patrons, and let's continue prompting.